With 3 weeks to go in the regular season, this week's Shorts and Shells takes a look at some of the players that can really carry their teams when it comes playoff time. And some of those players had some pretty big games this week, Eric.
Yeah, I got a couple obvious choices on there. Aaron Rodgers, he's been doing it all season long. Drew Brees, you go back to 2009 and that playoff run. But a couple of guys have really emerged in Rob Gronkowski. I mean, I really think he, more than Tom Brady, and let me explain here, he can be the difference maker because defenses have to commit so much to him and change what they do. It can actually open things up for everybody else. We know about Ben Roethlisberger. If he's healthy, he's going to be that guy. But another newcomer, Tim Tebow, he's outstanding. But Eli Manning, old guy on the block, 20th comeback win on Sunday night. These are the guys I think who can carry their teams on their back in the playoff run.
Yeah, Eli has had his career year by far and really punctuated in a season-saving win over the Cowboys on Sunday night. Brought the Giants back. Obviously, Jason Pierre-Paul, a big part of that. But Eli Manning's got the Giants now back in the driver's seat in the NFC East.
I think they are. It was a back-and-forth win. Eli was down 12 points with under 6 minutes to go. He overcame defensive breakdowns, bad snaps, a drop in the end zone by Mario Manningham, and yet he completed that sixth fourth-quarter comeback this season. He's got to be listed as one of the MVPs. He's not in Rodgers territory, but he's been outstanding. And the Cowboys, though, they have the same record as the Giants. I just think the loss of DeMarco Murray is going to be too big to overcome. You have to think they're going to fall back, even with a couple of winnable games left.
Those two teams are fighting for a playoff spot. Two other teams that are 6-7 after Week 14, real long shots, but look pretty good. The Chargers and Cardinals. If a lot of things happen, they could make a run at the playoffs in the final few weeks.
Still in it, and two fascinating teams. Obviously, you're going to be 500, or below 500. You're going to have some question marks. The Cardinals are doing it without quarterback play at this point. John Skelton far better in this game against the Niners than he was the last time he faced them. But still, 3 turnovers in this game. Kevin Cobb was knocked out of the game, and there's somewhat of a quarterback situation. The Chargers, obviously counting on their offense to kind of bail them out every week. Two strange teams, still mathematically in the race. I say they come up short. I don't think they're going to be there, but have at least finished strong.
Yeah, and if Norv Turner works his normal December magic like he usually does, I think it's going to be a little too late because of some quarterback in Denver who's playing for some pretty good football right now. To read Eric's entire Shorts and Shells column, head to ProFootballWeekly.com.